Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is answer the question, is the Tangem Wallet the best crypto hardware wallet for long-term storage? So that's what we're going to do on this episode. If you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Comment down below if you've already picked up a Tangem Wallet. If you guys use code Moose, of course you guys can hit up the link tree. Might as well get that out of the way right now. But guys, if you are interested in any hardware wallet, cold storage product, head over to the link tree. It's pinned in the description as well as in the comments of every video here on the channel. Right now you can pick up a 2-card set as well as a 3-card set around the $50 to $60 range. So guys, is this the best wallet? That's what I want to dive into on this episode. Of course, there is new information on Tangem Pay, which we'll talk about towards the end of this video. But guys, we are talking about the Tangem Wallet. So this little card that fits in your wallet. So this is my traditional wallet. This is the Moose's manly wallet. It's kind of brown, kind of beat up. It's got like $12,000 cash in there. But guys, look, you can hear it. Slides right in. Boom. Like Zorro. But guys, this cold wallet is the best, especially for the price. Not only that, but it is very secure. So if you guys are holding crypto on an online exchange, get it off of there. Get it off of the exchange and start using cold storage, because what you can do is set this up, write down your recovery seed phrase, and then if you ever lose this device, you can just regenerate your wallet. And the best part is you own your keys. You own your crypto when you use something like this, and you add another layer of protection. For somebody to take your crypto, they would need this device. They would need to know your password as well. So it's going to add that much more security to your crypto. On top of that, if you guys do go to Tangem's website, if you go under wallet, we'll get into some of the specifics, but it does feature EAL 6 plus security. So that's a standard. Okay. So it's a very simple wallet to set up, right? You get your private keys and it's just the way to go. So if you guys want, you guys can go to the channel. So let's go under Crypto Moose here. And I really recommend it for any one of you guys. So if we go under videos, you guys can see here. Actually, we can go type in Tangem. If you want, Tangem Wallet. There's 2 videos I want you guys to see, maybe 3. So 5 reasons Tangem is the best. That's a YouTube short. But guys, how to set up a Tangem Wallet with the seed phrase. Only 3,000 views. It should be at least 100,000 views. That's my opinion. I recommend you guys watch that video. How to set up a Tangem Wallet. All you need is the card, the Tangem Wallet, in your phone. So we'll get into how that works. But guys, I have Bitcoin on these wallets, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it supports thousands of cryptos, right? I'm pretty sure thousands at this point. But guys, definitely watch these videos. Right here, sending crypto, how to send crypto to your Tangem Wallet tutorial. So if you have that one has 40,000 views. So that's helped out a lot of people. If you guys have crypto on Coinbase, on Binance, Kraken, not on FTX, on any exchange or on any hot wallet, you should get it off there and protect your crypto. It's the easiest sell. I've been holding crypto on here forever, for years, and I really like it. Look how cool it is, man. Like, dude, I could go to Walmart, and we'll talk about this at the end. Look, you just shove some Tangems in the pocket. Start using it. Look, let's grab this one. This one's got a little more dough on it. So here, if I go into the Tangem app, I guess you can't hear it, but I can feel it. Here I'm going to put in my password, and you can make it very quick. There you go. You can hear that. Boom. Got some Bitcoins, dude. So I have, 0.5 Bitcoin just on this wallet, right? this is by far the simplest, most effective wallet that I've ever used. Okay, so also to give you guys an idea, like I still like other wallets. Ledger Flex, beautiful wallet. Trezor Model T. What else do I have? I have wallets everywhere. The Tangem is something that you can carry with you, right? So if you have a purse, if you have, you know, your traditional wallet that's just in your back pocket. Hopefully you guys put it in your front pocket. Don't want you guys messing up your back. But that is like one of the best things about this wallet is the simplicity. So to set this up, it literally takes just a few minutes. It only takes a few minutes. So again, guys, go to the link tree, use code Moose. That will save you 10% instantly. Guys, $50. You can pick up a 2-card set. I don't know how else to help you. Like, that's why I do so many videos on it. Yes, it does help support the channel, but because so many of you have learned how to get your crypto off of exchanges onto Tangem, it makes me feel happy. I can sleep better at night knowing my crypto's safe and all of your crypto's safe as well. So if you're worried about, you know, somebody hacking your Phantom and getting to your Solana, somebody hacking your MetaMask, getting to your ETH, or somebody hacking and getting to your Bitcoin on a sketchy exchange, like, guys, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Get the majority of your cryptos on to cold storage. That's the point. Okay, so it gets your private keys off of the internet. In this case, it's non-custodial. You own your crypto, right? Supports a bunch of tokens. Here you can type in what you want, right? You can search whatever asset you want, see if it supports it. You got Bitcoin, Binance, XRP, USDC. So you got your stables, etc. It's going to support a lot. So here's the big stuff. I'm going to be doing another video on it, but guys, this is what I like about Tangem. And I talked about it in a previous video. Tangem listens. They listen to us as users. They understand what we're going through. Look at this. Self-custody meets real-world spending. Tangem Pay, the non-custodial, meaning you own your keys, payment account embedded inside your Tangem wallet will begin its gradual rollout this month. USDC virtual Visa card on chain. So guys, you can do instant spending via USDC, I believe, with Tangem Pay. Okay, so this is, I mean, we'll get into some little specifics, but I want to save it for another video on the channel. This isn't just another crypto card. Your funds stay on chain when you pay. So you can hold your USDC on your card, right? You can hold crypto on your card. And when you pay, USDC is converted 1-to-1 to USD at the point of sale. It's real-world utility of a Visa card powered by the security of your Tangem card. So guys, that is what I'm talking about. That's what we're talking about, eh? Guys, I mean, that's fantastic. Comment down below. What are your thoughts and opinions on that? I want to dive into this. I'm going to research it more, do a dedicated video. Tangem Pay, Moose Explorers. I don't know what I'm going to call it. But guys, Tangem is crushing it. And this is by far the best crypto wallet for long-term hold. Yeah. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We got a lot going on here with Tangem. Cheers.